Hi, my name is Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows, and today we're going to go over how to remove the sash in a monument double hung with the K balance. So we're going to unlock it, lift it to its maximum height. It's really good if you have another body to help hold it, because some of these sash can weigh up to 120 pounds. So we block the sash in place so that it doesn't drop once we remove the balances. I'm going to use a cordless drill to remove these screws. And sometimes you may need to use a hand screwdriver to finish removing it. Okay. And I have the screws out. Then you flatten the tab out so you'll have clearance. And now the sash is released and being supported strictly by the block. The sash and pull the block out. I'm just going to remove the block so that I can drop the sash. Okay, I'm going to remove it now out of the frame. You just favor it to inside. You lift it up. There you go. The plow on the side is going to saddle over the K balancer. So then you push it towards the other jam, and I'm going to get my block back into place to help support it. Like I said, it's better if you have another body to help do this part. And then from this point, we just reverse the procedure. We flip the sides up and screw them back into place. All right, first screw's going in. I'm gonna have to finish this with hand screwdriver. Okay. That's it. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the block, being held in place with the balance. Close the unit, lock it, voila, there we go. Thank you for watching our video, and for additional information and resources, please visit our website.